As we face the reality of rapidly growing demand for our products, in light of society's legitimate energy and environmental concerns, there can be no doubt that electronics will play an even bigger role in our industry's second century than it did in our first. And when we connect the dots from mechanically driven to electrically driven, energized by petroleum to energized by electricity, powered by internal combustion to powered by electric motors, mechanically and hydraulically controlled to electronically and digitally controlled, operated in isolation to fully connected. We at GM believe that we have the ability to create cars and trucks that are cleaner, safer, smarter, and more exciting than ever before. We believe the future of the automobile is extraordinarily bright and truly electronic. And we look forward to claiming that future with the consumer electronics industry and with all of you. Thanks very much for having me here today.
I think one of the interesting aspects is we apply some of the new technology to electronics. It actually facilitates productivity in the plants, and in a lot of cases moving to electronic devices are easier to install, ensure higher reliability and quality. So I think it's probably a plus for productivity and a plus for the guy in the plant. Fair point though, a lot of these new technologies, and particularly in their first, second rounds, are expensive. And so the question is, how are we going to be able to handle those in the context of trying to achieve reasonable financial results? I'm looking at those costs as an important investment in our future. We obviously can't forever continue to add cost in that can't be recovered in price, but I think for where we are right now and where we see the environment around us moving, we need to really get on with these technologies. We need to get the rest of our business very efficient, very lean, and then over time I think we'll be able to get the cost of these down to a more sustainable level.
Lessons learned from other industry sectors?
We've got plenty of lessons we can learn from our own industry sector. But I think key, I would say our lesson learned is particularly given the environment we're in and the structural reasons behind, for example, higher oil prices, we really have to look at these as important investments for the future, and not, even though the U.S. market, for example, is a little weak right now, not pull back on the advanced technology stuff. And it's interesting that we'll be putting a lot more money into this kind of commitment this year, even though obviously the financial pressures on the industry are tough.
Best of luck in the future.
Thank you. Appreciate it, Jim. Good to see you.